Hi my little beauties! So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I have not sat down and played with makeup in so long, so that's what I'm going to do today. I recently picked up the Jeffree Jawbreaker palette at my Morphe store, and this is literally stunning. Like what? Like look at these colors. Like these are gorgeous. I kind of have a plan. I tried it out earlier. It kind of failed, but I thought the second time would probably work, so I should film it. So that's what we're gonna do. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Rachel. You should definitely subscribe if you haven't already. I make makeup videos, hauls, fashion videos, thrifting videos. So if you're into anything like that, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with the eyes first because there might be fallout because I don't know how to do makeup. So yeah. Also, I'm like really sweaty. It's really hot out. I had to turn my fan off. That way you didn't hear it while we filmed this video. So just ignore that. So I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. I always use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel in the shade Taupe. I literally will not use anything else on my eyebrows at this point in my life. And I don't plan to because this stuff is just so good. And it's so easy and like it doesn't, well, it depends how much you put on. I don't think it looks like you draw on your eyebrows, but like, what do I know? I'm going to put on some tape just because I'm untalented and need it. Okay, so to prime my lids, I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm just going to dab some on my eyelids. I'm going to go in with this Naked brush that I got in one of my palettes, and I'm just going to take this side, looks like this, and I'm going to be taking the shade Gumdrop, which is like the lilac purple in this palette, and I'm just going to be applying that like in my inner corner, not my inner corner, but like my inner crease corner area. Hi, I'm a beauty guru. Then I'm going to take the shade Bubblegum, which is this light baby pink, and I'm going to take it on the other side of the brush and just pat that in my crease. And then I'm going to take the shade, yes, that is the shade Babe. I'm just going to apply that. It's like, I don't know what color this would be described as, but I'm just going to put this right next to the pink. And then I'm going to take this little Wet n Wild, like random duo brush I have, and I'm going to take the shade Wow, which is the yellow color, and I'm just going to apply that at the very end. I'm going to take this brush and like try and blend it just a little bit. Then I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to go back into this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and what I do is I just dab some on my lid, and then I look down. And that is how I know where to cut the crease. Then on a Morphe M124 brush, I'm going to be taking the shade Cute. And I'm just going to pack that where I cut the crease, so literally everywhere. Okay, so now that I did that, I'm going to take NYX white liner and I'm going to like cut the crease with that. Okay, so I'm just going to take the tape off. This looks like trash, low-key. I don't know, that NYX white liner is just honestly so hard to use. But we did it. Now that is done, I'm going to apply lashes. For lashes, I'm going to be using the AOA Studio in the style Alexis. You can get these off Shop Miss A. It's a website. They sell lashes for literally $1. So I'm going to be using these. Okay, so I ended up using different lashes. I ended up going in with the AOA Studio Jean lashes. These are $1.55 I think on their website, and they're really dramatic, so I just put those on. So I am going to do my face. I'm going to start off with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I finally found this at Target. It's $8. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Tatch one. This is the first time I'm using it, so it honestly feels the same. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that in. Oh yeah, this is such a dupe. Then for foundation, I'm gonna go into the Hourglass Stick Foundation in the shade Alabaster, and I'm just gonna apply this on my skin. Okay, and then for concealer, I'm going to go into the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Then to set my face, I'm going to go into the Wet n Wild Pressed Photo Focus powder. Then for bronzer, I'm going to go into the L'Oreal True Match bronzer in the shade Light. Just going to bronze my face a little. I'm using the Morphe M527 brush. I need a new one. This one is super busted, but yeah. I just bronzed my chest too, that way it didn't look too weird, but I think I might have done too much. For blush, I'm going to go into the AOA Studio Lumi blush in the shade Delicate Pink. Another thing I got off the Shop Messy website for $1. I'm just going to use a Morphe M500 brush with this. It just gives a really pretty sheen. Then I'm going to spray my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. For highlight, I'm going to use the shade Jawbreaker in this palette. Oh, it's pretty. Okay, now that I look like a glazed donut, literally this is stunning. Then I'm going to move back to my lower lash line. I'm basically going to do what I did for the cut crease, but in reverse. So I'm going to start with yellow. I almost forgot, I'm going to actually tight line using the Makeup Forever Aqua XL liner in the shade M30. I just finished my lower lash line. I look insane. Okay, for bottom mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Paradise Mascara. I'm going to take the shade Jawbreaker again, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. And then lastly for lips, I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mannequin, and I'm just going to apply that to my lips. And that is pretty much it for this Jeffree Star Jawbreaker makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I post a new video. And love you guys. Bye!